Hello guys. This is Teresa with Crochet, and I know this may seem really weird, but I did not want to go without putting out my Battle of the Stitches video today, but I have been feeling like total crap all day yesterday. I'm still not feeling good today, and y'all do not want to see my face. It not good. So, but I wanted to come on today. This is the second Wednesday of the month. So that means I get to reveal or I get to show you what I'm doing. Let me see here. I'm trying to get this in my hand the right way. Give you a little sneak peek of the project I'm working on and see if you can guess. So this is what I have so far with the crossed single crochet. This is what I have so far. Oh, sorry y'all. I'm very weak. I'm very just nauseous and I'm just, it's not good. I hope that this is only going to last a couple of days and I'm going to be better, but we will see. Anyway, this is what I've got so far with the cross single crochet, and you guys can let me know what you think I'm making. Um, Next Wednesday will be the third Wednesday, so that will be where I reveal what I've made, what this is. I will reveal my final project um, next week. So um, I've got to get off here. I hope you guys are having a better day today than what I'm having. And I will talk to you all soon. If you need to know more about Battle of the Stitches and what it is, the description box below will tell you what we do each week. If you are a content creator and would like to join Heather from Strings and Threads and myself, and you would like to join us in Battle of the Stitches, um, email me. My email's in the description box, and I will fill you in on the details. If you're not a content creator, but you want to try the stitch out that we're doing each month, try out the stitch, make something, and send me some pictures, and I'll be glad to share the pictures of what you're making on my channel. So I'm going to get off of here, and I'm going to lay back down and try and get some more sleep. Um, Love you guys. Thank you for your patience. We are one away from 1,300 subscribers for Critters Crochet Road to 2K. We are two away from me adding another row to the blanket. So thanks guys again for all your sharing, and share that out. Share my channel out some more. Let's get that to 1,301 so I can put another row in. And I'm going to get off here now because I'm yawning so bad and you don't want to hear that. So, love you guys. Talk to you later. Have a great day.